Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to make my refrigerator spicy cabbage. This makes a great condiment. So I got shredded cabbage, I've got some jalapeno peppers, I've got some red beet because I want to put it in there for color so it's not white, and a little bit of onion, and then just some salt and some peppercorns. And of course, to make the broth, I used 1 cup of water and half a cup of Bragg's vinegar. So you can use any kind of vinegar you want. If you prefer white wine, you can do that. If you prefer white vinegar, malt vinegar, any kind that you like. I prefer apple cider, so that's why I'm using this. So I'm going to put this on the stove, heat this up, pack everything together, and we'll be ready to go. So I'm going to throw this on the stove, get it hot and cooking, boiling hard, salt dissolved, and we'll put the brine in. So when you're doing this, pack this down tight so you don't have a lot of airspace to it, and that'll let you put more cabbage in there. So I got my vinegar boiling, as you can see, and just going to take it off. Put it in here. Hey, that worked out perfect. Almost to the top. I'm going to take my peppercorns and put them down there just a little bit. Look at how that beet starting to color it up. So I'm going to have a nice, pretty color to eat this cabbage. This will be perfect. So it's been sitting in the fridge overnight, and we're going to take a really good look at how it is. You can see it's changing color nicely. I normally let this sit for 2 days and get a little redder, but I want to try this so we can get the video out. So I'm just going to put a little bit over here. So as you can see, the color's coming along nicely. Tomorrow will even be a little bit redder. Great crunch, really nice spicy flavor. OMGs, is that good?